In fear I'm drowning as my heart keeps pounding, striking in the sky.